Hi there, if you're new here, welcome. If not, I'm glad you're back. Well, you can just sit in the couch while others live their best lives, or you make a better one by doing any one of the 146 other things. No, I'm just glad you all are joining me, and of course, the search as we stumble what life has to offer aside from gossip. Oh, anyway, with this disclaimer being one of the most mundane person in the world, I'm just Megan.
Hey guys. Hello. Mic test. Hello, mic test. Ew. By the way, guys, I'm gonna show you something. Oh my god. I can't believe kasi nakita ko sa TikTok lately na maraming pinopost yung mga fans ni Beyond Wusok because of the BB men. Actually ask the manong or the cashier sa 7-Eleven. Sabi ko, if they have a photo card of the BB men, kasi makukuha mo lang yung limited na photo card if you will buy the whole pack. So, since they sell individual BB men, they got the photo card. I don't think na fan naman sila ni Byeon Wosok, kaya here it is. I got one. He's so cute. I will give you a close-up photo. Guys, wala nang hiya-hiya. It's 2025, so go ask na di cashier sa 7-Eleven if you can have one as well. Kasi meron legit. Tinatago lang nila and they don't know if you're a fan. So probably that's the reason why they don't offer it. So they cannot give you something if you don't ask for it, right? Also, currently I'm watching a Japanese series. If you watched my recent video, you will know watching I am currently watching a Japanese series, which is what's my password? Cannot figure out my password. Wait. What? Okay, I got it. So I am currently watching a Japanese series called Cinderella Closet. So if you know, super cute talaga nung the main lead is very cute. Hikaru is very cute. I actually want someone like that to be my boyfriend. I can really blame Haruka for falling in love with her best friend. Okay, so just a quick story time. It was supposed to be updated last Wednesday, like September 17, and then nung nilabas nila, walang English subtitle. It's pure Japanese, and I don't want naman to because I don't really understand Nihongo or Nippongo. I don't really understand it. Unlike if Korean, I'm quite familiar. I can watch it without subtitles. Pero Japanese, this is the first Japanese series na pinanood ko, so I can't really understand. So I thought I will just give it a few days. Baka hindi lang updated yung English subtitle. Pero when I check it again, it's not there anymore. Well, if you're watching the same series as mine, I know you also got that experience na nawala yung episode 12 ng Cinderella Closet. And now, chinek ko. Meron na guys, meron na. Pero September 23 ata, Wednesday ata yun. So let's check now if meron. And then, nabasa ko din sa Reddit na yun yung same experience ng mga nag-aabang sa series na yun. So, if you're also watching Cinderella Closet on Netflix, I know you also have the same experience. Like a mini heart attack na sana pinanood ko na lang siya without English subtitles. Pero no. So, I am actually checking the Cinderella now. Cinderella Closet. Let's see if meron na. Let's see. Sana meron. Oh my God. Meron na. I can't believe. Can't believe. September 24, guys. If you can see it. Oh. September 24. Really. I think they just re-released the video. So, if inaabangan mo rin yung Cinderella Closet, meron na sa September 24. I actually wanna rewatch it because of course, I don't know, is it just me? Pero yung momentum. It's really the momentum, guys. Kahit nandito na siya, gusto ko pa rin ma-feel yung kilig moments ng mga main characters. You want some?
I am now eating a Kyoto-style ramen with a deep, clean broth, homemade tare, and fresh egg noodles. Did you know ramen originated from China but was popularized in Japan and then globally after Momofuku Ando invented instant ramen in 1958? It became the first noodle to be consumed in space, and in Japan, slurping noodles is a polite way to show appreciation. I even heard that you need to slurp the noodles loudly to show that you're enjoying it or it's actually delicious. Well, if you're in the Philippines, it's kind of weird, or it will imply that you had a poor upbringing. Anyway, before I tell you ramen's roots in Chinese noodle dishes that became a distinctive Japanese dish with the arrival of Chinese immigrants in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, I would just like to say that I love ramen.
Kailangan ipakondisyon ng kotse.
So, it's the next day and I decided na mag-enroll sa driving school. Well, schoolgirl. Wow, schoolgirl. Because I saw sa TikTok na you should do something better instead of staying too much on social media. But that's on TikTok. How ironic. Ironic. That's all. Bye.
This is all